Over the last few years, I've been on this mission to try and create a full-time income online. At this point, I've tried just about every business model that I could think of: blogging, day trading, starting a Shopify store, running Facebook ads. I've tried all these different things, and unfortunately, I haven't seen much success. Granted, there is one business model that I have seen some success with, and that business model is affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is what allowed me to actually make my first paycheck online, and is currently what I'm using right now to try to reach my goal of making at least $10,000 in affiliate commissions, which, by the way, if you guys are actually interested in following that journey to see if I make it, if I'm able to accomplish it, then consider subscribing to the channel. But with that being said, guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys everything that I've learned about affiliate marketing over the last few years. I'm going to talk to you guys about what affiliate marketing is, how affiliate marketing works, and how you as a complete beginner can get started with affiliate marketing starting as early as today. So with that being said, let's get into this video. Let's answer that first question that you probably have, which is, what exactly is affiliate marketing? So at its core, affiliate marketing is a performance-based type of marketing where you're going to get rewarded for every customer or every individual sale that you bring to a company through your own marketing efforts. So it's where you're going to partner up with a company that has a product or a service that you would like to promote. And as you go out there and you start promoting that company's product or service, and you actually start generating revenue, that company is actually going to pay you a percentage for every individual sale you bring to their company. Now, in affiliate marketing, there's usually going to be three parties involved. You've got you, the affiliate, and then you've got the company that's going to be providing the product or the service that you plan on promoting. And then you have the customer. And what I really like about affiliate marketing is that all three parties involved get to win. It's a win-win-win situation for all parties involved. The business obviously wins because they're able to get more customers and more sales without them having to dump more money into marketing and advertising. You as the affiliate, you win because you're able to go out there and start promoting a product that you don't own and still be able to earn a commission without having to worry about product fulfillment, customer service, or having to actually create your own product. And the customer, they get to win because they're able to purchase a product that potentially solves a problem that they're dealing with. So again, it's a win-win-win situation for all three parties involved. And that's why I really like affiliate marketing. Now, in order to get started with affiliate marketing, one of the things that you got to do is choose a niche. And if you're one of those people who has a hard time choosing a niche, don't worry, I got you. I'm going to show you guys 3 different ways that you can go about choosing your niche. So the first way to actually go about it is to choose a niche according to something that you're really passionate about. This is going to be something that you find a lot of joy in doing. You're probably already very knowledgeable about that particular thing, and you can probably talk people's ear off about it, right? So whatever that thing is, that can be your niche. The second way that you can go about it is to choose a niche according to something that you already have a lot of knowledge about. You're just not very passionate about it, right? So you definitely have enough knowledge and wisdom that you can share information about that particular subject and be able to answer people's questions, but you're just not passionate about it, right? For example, when I was in the Marine Corps, I was in the Marine Corps for 8 years. And when I was a diesel technician. And I'll be the first to tell you that by no means am I passionate about being a mechanic, right? But I realized that if I wanted to do affiliate marketing and start a YouTube channel or start a blog where I'm talking about, working on diesel engines and doing routine maintenance, I definitely could, right? Because I have that knowledge. So what I'm saying is you definitely don't have to be passionate about something, but if you already have a lot of knowledge, then that can actually make choosing a niche a little bit easier. Now, the third way that you can go about it, which is the way that I went about it, and that's to choose a niche according to something that you're genuinely interested in, that you want to learn a lot more about. For example, 3 things that I've always been pretty interested in is personal finance, investing, and wealth building. And in the process of trying to learn more about these things and researching a lot more, I've actually discovered certain services, courses, and softwares that have actually helped me. And those tend to be the types of products that I like to promote to my audience. So in the beginning, you definitely do not need to be an expert. I know a lot of people tend to be pretty reluctant to get started because of imposter syndrome and just feeling like you have to be an expert in order to, start producing content. But what I can tell you is that you definitely do not need to be an expert. And one thing that I would even tell you guys to make as far as a mindset shift is to think of yourself as a journalist. And what does a journalist do? A journalist does a lot of research. And then once they, compile all the research together and they have the facts, then they present the facts to the people. So you can think of yourself as a journalist and just do a bunch of research about your particular niche and then just present that information to your audience. All right, so now that we got your niche picked out, the next step is to actually find a company that sells a product that's within your niche that you actually like, and to go on that company's website and see if that company offers an affiliate program. This is actually pretty easy to do. All you got to do is just go on the company's website, and if you scroll all the way down to the foot of the website, you're going to be looking for a link that says affiliate program. If you do see that link, all you got to do is just click on that link and get registered to become an affiliate. And if it just so happens that you don't see this link on their website, then that's probably because they're going to be hosted on what's called an affiliate network. Affiliate networks are pretty much companies that act as the middleman between you and the company themselves. So if you don't see the affiliate program listed on the company's website, then just try going on Google and type in the name of the company followed by affiliate program. Once you're registered and you get approved to become an affiliate for the company is going to provide you with your very own unique affiliate link. And this is going to be a link, and the company uses this link so that they can track every single one of the sales that you generate. So from here, the company pretty much expects that you're now going to be out there on social media promoting their products. And whenever you do promote their products and you actually start generating some sales, the company is going to pay you a percentage for every sale that you generate. So this percentage can be anywhere from 10%, 20%, 30%. I've even seen commissions as high as 60%, but this is all really going to depend on the type of product that you're promoting. So if you decide to start off promoting physical products, I can tell you right now that you should definitely expect a lot lower commissions, because companies that sell physical products just don't have the margins to be able to pay you higher commissions. Now, on the flip side, you have what's called SaaS companies, and SaaS companies are going to be companies that offer a software as a service. And these are going to be the type of companies that are going to offer higher commissions. And depending on the company, those commissions might also be recurring commissions, which is going to be commissions that you earn on a reoccurring monthly basis, as long as the person that you referred continues to pay that monthly subscription for the service. So one thing to keep in mind when it comes to your affiliate link is what's called the cookie duration. So whenever somebody clicks on your affiliate link, that click actually gets tracked via what's called a tracking cookie, and every tracking cookie comes with an expiration date. Now, the expiration date can be as little as 24 hours, or it can go all the way up to 90 days. And knowing the length of the tracking cookie essentially lets you know how long you have from the day that the customer clicked on your link for them to actually make a purchase for you to still be credited for that sale. For example, if the product that you're promoting has a 90-day tracking cookie, then it means that the customer who clicked on your affiliate link will have 90 days from the day that they first clicked on your link to make a purchase for you to still earn a commission for that sale. So the longer the tracking cookie, the better, because most people who click on your link probably won't buy because they want to do more research or they want to know a little bit more about the product. So the longer, the better. Hey guys, really quick, if you guys are getting a lot of value from some of the stuff that I've covered so far, then please leave a like and consider hitting that subscribe button. I'm currently on the road to try to hit my first 1,000 subscribers, so I would really appreciate you guys. With that being said, guys, let's jump back into this video. Now, the next thing that I'm going to talk about is something that's definitely optional, but it is something that I would highly recommend before you go out there and start creating content about your product. And what I'm talking about is setting up a landing page. A landing page is a single web page designed with one specific purpose, and affiliate marketing is going to be, in most cases, to collect somebody's email. And the reason that I recommend taking this approach is because whatever platform you decide to use as a traffic source, one thing you gotta remember is that the traffic source is not yours. You have no say and no control over this traffic. And the reason that that's important is because you're going to be at the mercy of these platforms. So that platform can say, hey, we no longer like the content that you're producing. We don't like you. We don't want you on our platform anymore. Therefore, we shut down your account. Obviously, that sucks because you just spent all this time trying to build an audience that likes you, that trusts you, and has shown genuine interest in a lot of the products that you're promoting. You just lost it. You just lost that whole audience, and now you got to start back from scratch. And that shit sucks. Ask me how I know. Now, on the other end, if you did set up a landing page to collect people's emails, then the impact of losing your account isn't going to be that dramatic, because you're still going to have a way to communicate with that audience and be able to market more products to them. And the other thing is, building an email list allows you to build your very own traffic source. So that's ultimately why I recommend taking this approach. Now, in order to set up landing pages so that you can start collecting emails, you're going to need an email autoresponder. And the one that I use and recommend is GetResponse. They pretty much allow you to do everything that you need. You can set up landing pages, and if you want, you can also build out a website using their new AI feature, which can pretty much build out a whole website in just seconds. And on top of that, you can actually save a whole lot of time by just using their email generator that's also powered by ChatGPT, which essentially allows you to generate a whole bunch of emails in just seconds, which I'll be the first to say I really appreciate that feature because I find that writing emails is something that's super time consuming. So I'm a big fan of this. They also have this really nice email automation feature that allows you to set up a sequence of emails that will go out automatically as people subscribe to your email list. So if you guys are actually interested in checking them out, you guys can find a link to a 30-day free trial down in the description. All right, guys, so far we've talked about what affiliate marketing is, how to choose the right niche, how to find a product to promote, and we just talked about email marketing. So now we're going to talk about one of the most important things, and that is generating traffic. And in order to start generating traffic, you're going to have to produce content. And I know as a beginner, it can be pretty hard to come up with content ideas. So again, don't worry, I got you guys. I'm going to show you guys 3 different content ideas that you guys should really focus on if you guys are just getting started. So the first type of content that you're going to want to focus on is what I like to call the low hanging fruit. And that's going to be a simple, honest review of the product that you're promoting. Most people who are in the market for something are usually going to do some type of research, and part of that research is usually going to involve them watching some type of review video because they want to see the product in action, and they also want to learn more about what other people think about the product and whether they recommend the product or not. Matter of fact, the first $1,000 that I ever made actually came from a simple review that I did of a training that I went through to learn how to do affiliate marketing. And in that review, I talked about what I learned, what I liked, what I didn't like, what they should expect, and whether I thought it was actually worth it or not. And I can tell you guys that till this day, I still occasionally generate a couple of commissions from that video. And it's like 3 years old, I think. So I'm telling you guys right now, do not underestimate the power of a simple, honest review. The second type of content that does very well going to be tutorials or walkthroughs.
Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the oil in your car or truck.
And this type of content always does very well because you're able to build trust with the viewer through educating them and walking them through a step-by-step solution to whatever it is their problem is. And in the process of doing that, chances are there's probably a product or some type of software that you're using to solve that, and that can be the product that you're recommending in that content. For example, if you guys remember early on in the video, I mentioned that I had a mechanical background. So let's say I wanted to do a video or a tutorial that walks somebody through how to do an oil change. Well, in order to do an oil change, there's obviously products that you're going to need. So you're going to need things like a drip pan. You're going to need a oil filter wrench and some rags to clean up when you're done. So these would be all the things that I would recommend in the video and also have affiliate links to in the description of that video. Now, the third type of content that does very, very well going to be comparisons.
Canon or Sony.
And the reason that comparisons do very well is because we live in a world where there's like 5 different products for one problem, right? So when you have too many options, you can run into what's called decision paralysis, where you have that fear of picking the wrong product. And that's why these types of content really, really helps the buyer. Comparisons make the decision-making process a little bit easier for the buyer because it allows them to see a visual side-by-side comparison where you're showing the strength and weaknesses of both products, and that's going to help them get a little bit more clarity and allow them to narrow down their options to a point where they have the one that they think is going to be the best option for their situation. So those guys were the 3 types of content I would recommend if you're just getting started. Those were the 3 types of content that I've seen success with, which is why I included them in this video. Obviously, as you get a little bit more experience, you can branch off and start testing different content to see what works. But in the beginning, those will be the ones that I would focus on. Now, I know I've definitely thrown a lot at you guys in this video, and it probably feels like it's a lot of information to digest. And if that's the case, then I want to invite you guys to check out the Loaded Labs community. The Loaded Labs community is a brand new community that recently launched this year, and it was launched by Liam James K, who's a really big name in the affiliate marketing space. And he launched Loaded Labs with one goal, and that goal was to pretty much give beginners access to him and a community of like-minded people, and to be able to help beginners see success with affiliate marketing without having to go out there and spend thousands of dollars on affiliate marketing courses. Right now, he's currently offering a 3-day trial where you're going to get complete access to the community, and you're going to get access to all of his courses on top of direct access to him, where you can ask him any questions related to affiliate marketing or any questions related to making money online in general. This guy has made money multiple different ways outside of affiliate marketing, so he definitely knows a thing or two when it comes to making money online. So if that sounds like something that you guys would be interested in, then click the link down in the description. And if you guys got value from this video, please leave a like and consider subscribing. Like I mentioned before, I'm on the road to trying to make my first 1,000 subscribers, and I would love if you guys would help me get there. So with that being said, may God bless every single one of you guys. I appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.